Today I'm going to fix another watch, which is Armani Exchange. Nice watches, beautiful. So the first thing that you do when a watch is not working is to, of course, check the battery. And 99% is the battery, which is the problem. So let's start doing that and check the watch. Just how to dismantle it first. And you have to remove the bracelet pin just to open up the bracelet so that you have more room to work with the bezel. I have a special tool to remove those push pins, which is holding the bracelet or the chain in place. So it's easy to do with this. You can use it. You can use any other pin also at home. A little bit thick one, like a thumb tab, also you can use. But the best thing is to use a proper tool. So, and now to check where the slot is to insert the tool and to pop up the rear bezel. So look around, you will see around the bezel you will see a slot where to insert the edge of the tool to pry out the bezel. See, there it is. So we're just gonna remove the back cover and go from there. Sometimes it is easy, sometimes it is hard. So the bezel is popped out, just to remove it and inspect. So see this, because this is a little bit expensive watch, they have that plastic reinforcement just for the extra shock absorber to protect the watch. See the white ring? I am going to remove that insert. So just use any pry tool. But the best thing is to use a wood or a plastic. I use this like it's a floss. It works very good, hard and sharp, and you have that edge that you can use as a pry bar. Now you can see the battery in there, and of course you want to inspect it before you remove it. So to check what number it is or whether you have it or not, but I checked it already, and I carry most of the batteries because I got a chest full of watches. So there is a lever. Most commonly there is a lever there, just safety lever, which is holding the battery. So just to bestest way is to use a plastic or a wood scriber, but if you don't have it, just be careful using a metal one. So you see, as soon as you push the lever back, the battery popped out. Just to make sure the lever goes back in place before inserting the new battery. So match the battery number with the new one or with the old one to see it's the right size and the right thickness. Sometimes it's hard to read, especially for an old man like me. So I use a wiser magnifying glass. So this is the correct battery. We're going to remove one from the packing, and it's better to put away the old battery always, and not to mix up and then end up with the old battery back in the watch. So the good practice is, so it goes one way in. Don't push it too hard from the top. Slide it in from the side, you see, slide it in and then push it, and it will be secured in place, and the safety lever will hold it in place. Just turn it around, see if the battery is working. Yeah, see the seconds arm is moving and it's working now. So next step is to close it up, and as usual, always use the cotton swab with the industrial alcohol to clean the slot, the seal, and so that it does not leak or there is no dust or debris in between when you close it up. And so after cleaning it and inspecting the seal also, here is the bezel that I am going to clean the rubber seal around nicely. And don't forget to put the plastic insert back in there in a correct position. There is a slot for the key wind shaft to sit in between so that it does not protrude. Okay, it's working. So now time to put the bezel back. This is the same one that you can't push it back with your thumb or fingers. It's very strong, so you have to use that special tool. Just match the adapters. Make sure that it is not protruding or it is not too small or too big, so just the right size so that when you push it down it won't break the glass or bend the bezel, but to just push the cover back in there. So I found the top one. This is the top one, which is good. And the bottom one. So I think, just match the right size. There is no hard and fast rule, but just to have a gut feeling that, and then screw it on the bottom and on the top. There we go. So, and again, the slot on the rear cover has to match where the key is so that it does not bend the shaft of the key. Yeah, that's a tricky part also sometimes, because once the slot is on the cover, you can't see it. It's gone deep. So I have to match it manually like this. I think it is, yeah, a smash. Now to get the tool, place it under and press it gently first, not too hard, and to move the watch a little bit and see from all around whether it's been seated properly. If you feel it is good, press it gently and you'll hear a pop. There you go. So, and then take it out, inspect it all around. If the cover is all the way in from all sides and not crooked or anything, make sure everything is tight in position. And now to put the bracelet together. Sometimes it's tricky to put this pin in there because once you're pushing it and it slips out, it's going to fly off and you're going to lose it. But the best way, what I do is I push it inside the sides of the chain and then slide it out slightly. See, I'm going to push the pin in there, inside here. Once it goes in there, instead of slipping it onto the any of the hole, I'm just going to slide it out on the side and then match the hole, and then here we go. It goes in. And the just to check if it's, you know, the time is correct on the watch. Okay, so here's another watch done perfectly. Match the time, correct it again, make sure it's running fine, and clean it a little bit, the grease off, or your hands, you know, when you touch it with the hand, your hands are greasy a little bit. So clean it, give it a good wipe with a fiber cloth, and there you go. It's nice and shiny, and now it's good looking and working perfectly. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and if so, yes, please support my channel by giving it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the